The Great Question Quest. In a cozy little town lived a curious girl named Lily. She had a very important question. Who makes the best cookies in the world? She knew she had to find the answer. Lily packed a small bag with a notebook, a pencil, and a half-eaten cookie for emergencies. Who will help me on my quest? She wondered aloud. Just then, a little bluebird chirped from her window. The bluebird, whose name was Pip, seemed to understand. He fluttered his wings and flew off, beckoning Lily to follow. "What a wonderful idea," Lily exclaimed, and her adventure began. Their first stop was the town baker, a jolly man named Mr. Gable. "What is your secret ingredient?" Lily asked, her eyes wide with wonder as she pointed to a tray of delicious-looking cookies. Mr. Gable chuckled. "The secret, my dear, is love." He gave Lily a warm, gooey cookie, and it was the best she had ever tasted. But was it the best in the whole world? Pip chirped and flew towards the library. "Where are we going now?" Lily asked, taking another bite of her cookie. The library was a grand old building filled with books from floor to ceiling. Inside, they found a book titled Cookies of the World. It showed pictures of cookies from every corner of the globe. "Where do we even start?" Lily whispered to Pip, her eyes sparkling with excitement. The librarian, a kind woman named Ms. Anya, saw Lily's enthusiasm. "Why are you so interested in cookies?" she asked with a gentle smile. Lily explained her quest to find the best cookie in the world. Ms. Anya listened patiently and then said, "Why don't you try making your own? The best cookie is the one you make with your own hands." Lily realized Miss Anya was right. The answer wasn't in a far-off land, it was in her own kitchen. She thanked Miss Anya and Mr. Gable, and with Pip's help, she baked a batch of cookies that were truly the best in the world, because she had made them herself.